The TUSHY Bidet is gonna be your easiest home installation project ever. Trust me, I'm not handy at all, and even I could install the TUSHY Bidet. And today I'm sharing with you exactly what you need to install the TUSHY Bidet, including extra tools, the time that you'll need, and a quick tutorial on what's in the box. And that way, whenever you get your TUSHY Spa or Classic, you'll have everything that you need ready to install and to start washing that booty. Welcome back, everybody. Carrie here, your TUSHY enthusiast and better booty advocate. And before we get into all the fun stuff, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get notified when we post new videos every week on gut, butt, poop health, sustainability, and all things TUSHY. So what do you need to prep for a TUSHY installation? It is a glorious day when this brown box with the words TUSHY arrives in the mail. You're probably a mix of excited and nervous because you know that your life is about to change. But first, you gotta install this thing on your toilet. Luckily, it's just a small attachment that goes right in between your toilet seat and your toilet bowl. Easy peasy. Before you do anything, make sure there's at least 6 inches of space between the right side of the toilet and the wall for the TUSHY attachment to fit. So how much time do you need? Well, this whole installation can take as little as 10 minutes. Or if you have old pipes or a complicated toilet situation, it might take a little longer. Also, if you're installing a spa version, usually that takes around 20 minutes. Next, be prepared to completely remove your toilet seat and have access to the toilet's water supply. If you're installing a TUSHY Spa, you'll have to access the hot water supply under the sink as well. I also highly recommend cleaning your toilet before you get all up and personal with it. Trust me. Do it. You'll also want to grab some towels or a bucket or a bowl because whenever you disconnect the hose going from the water valve to the toilet, there's usually some excess water that spills out, and this is totally normal and it's clean. Now find a spot on the floor next to your toilet, and you'll want to make sure that you have a towel or something else with padding laid down because a hard floor is not fun on anyone's knees or booty bones. And I say this because you're gonna have to reach down behind the toilet and be on the ground quite a bit. Finally, turn on some tunes to get the party started and to make the plain old installation just a little bit more fun. TUSHY even put together a playlist with the best butt shaking tracks for you to transform your bathroom to. You can just go to hellotushy.com/tunes to jam out while you're getting handy. Now that your ambience is all set up and ready to go, let's get to what you need for the actual installation. Don't worry, you don't need to have any advanced skills when it comes to installing the TUSHY. All you need are a few common tools and everything in the TUSHY box. All right, let's get started with the tools. You'll need a screwdriver, either a flathead or a Phillips head, depending on your toilet seat. And if you're installing the TUSHY Spa, you might also need a wrench as well. And for those who are installing the TUSHY Spa, you might need a power drill as well, depending on how your sink is set up. And then of course, you need the parts that come included in your TUSHY box. So if you got the TUSHY Classic, obviously you have your TUSHY Classic and you'll have a flexible steel hose. Inside your little brown bag, you'll find a mega adapter. You have your installation manual and this cute little book that you can put next to your pooper. And if you got the TUSHY Spa, obviously you'll have the TUSHY Spa, which is right here. And you'll also have the flexible steel hose, just like you did for the TUSHY Classic, as well as the mega adapter. What's new is this mini adapter attached to a polyurethane tube. Also for the spa, we have one spare part that you do want to keep in a safe place, and it's located inside the little brown bag. It's your gold inlet cap in case you don't want to use the warm water on your TUSHY Spa. Oh, and of course, you need to have a toilet. So there's a few different types of toilets that fit a TUSHY Bidet. And the most popular type of toilet is the standard 2-piece toilet where you have the water tank as one piece and the bowl as the second. So these are most commonly seen in people's homes. And with the standard toilet, you should be able to access the water supply and the tank connection super easily, so installation will be a breeze. Then there are skirted toilets that have a more modern look and can hide the external tank connection. If your connection is still accessible, then you're all good. But if it's hidden, there are some other ways that you can get around the issue and still install your TUSHY, so don't worry. Just go to hellotushy.com/skirted toilet and we'll get you set up in no time. And then there's the flushometer toilet, which is usually seen in commercial buildings and it's harder to get to the water connection. But don't worry, there's still a way where you can connect the TUSHY to this type of toilet. Just go to hellotushy.com/flushometer to get your flushometer kit that can help you adapt your toilet for a TUSHY. And finally, if you have a fancy French curve toilet, oui, then unfortunately you may be sharing shit out of luck because our bidets don't fit on those toilets. So now that you are fully ready to install, check out some of our other videos where I walk through each and every step on how to install the TUSHY Classic and the TUSHY Spa. Woohoo! Now you can do the potty dance because you have your TUSHY installed. You might need to wipe up any water that has spilled onto the floor with the towels that you got in the beginning, and you're gonna wanna test everything to make sure that it's all secure and that it's installed properly. Test putting the toilet seat down to make sure that it's secured tightly to the toilet. And once you've turned the water back on, turn on the nozzle wash just a little bit so that you can make sure there's no leaks around the mega adapter and under the TUSHY, or in any of the connections. Once you've tested everything out, you are all set and ready to begin the rest of your pooping life. If you have any questions or issues at all, please reach out to install@hellotushy.com, where our expert gurus are always ready to help you find a solution. Now that you have all the tools that you need to install a TUSHY bidet, get ready for your whole life to be changed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, even a little bit. And if you're interested in any of our other TUSHY products, like the TUSHY Ottoman, or bum towels, or bamboo toilet paper, head over to hellotushy.com/vlog. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get notified every single time we post new videos. Don't want to miss any of the poop scoop. And lastly, I want to invite you to join me in our community hosted on Facebook group. It's called the TUSHY Movement. We are a collective of pooping humans from all around the world, chatting, learning more about gut health, butt health, bidet life, sustainability, and so much more. Hope to see you in there, and thank you again for watching. See you next time. Happy pooping.